Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can import music to CapCut in iPhone. So open the CapCut apps and select your project, or you can select new project to make a new project. So actually, to import the music on iPhone to CapCut, it's very simple. So just click the audio and then select sounds, select folders, and select from files. Select import from files, and then just search the music that you want to add, that you want to import to the CapCut app. For example, the music has been imported to CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.